On the local front, at another livelihood policy debate session, President Yoon this time vowed to streamline the workload for people when they're getting administrative services by making hundreds of services fully digital over the next 3 years. Our top office correspondent Kim Do-yeon explains and more.
1,500 government services will be fully digitalized over the next 3 years for easier and simpler access for citizens and residents. That's around a quarter of all services offered by the government. The announcement came from President Yoon Suk Yeol on Tuesday during the 7th livelihood policy discussion with citizens.
국민들이 이리저리 뛰고 각종 증빙 서류들을 준비할 필요 없이 간편하게 필요한 업무를 신청할 수 있게 하겠습니다. 매년 7억 건에 달하는 구비 서류를 30%만 디지털화해도 조 단위의 예산이 절감됩니다.
President Yoon also said the basic information that's used for different services will be soon shared among agencies so applicants do not have to get multiple copies for each, while the more than a century-old personal seal system will be digitalized as well. This is South Korea trying to take a step further despite already having a global lead in digital government. The Interior Ministry said on Tuesday that South Korea ranked number 1 on the 2023 OECD Digital Government Index, topping 4 of the 6 categories: data-driven public sector, government as a platform, open by default, and proactiveness. It came second for the remaining 2, digital by design and user-driven. This is the second consecutive time South Korea topped the list, last time published back in 2019. But as participants in the discussion laid out, there's room to grow and President Yoon agreed.
이렇게 훌륭한 디지털 정부를 우리가 구축해 놨지만 국민들께서 그 편의성을 체감하기에는 부족한 점이 매우 많이 남아 있습니다. 특히 자영업자나 소규모 기업인들께서 현실에 대하는 행정 업무가 많은 부담이 되고 있습니다.
Other topics covered during this discussion were the gaming industry and telemedicine. For the gaming industry, deceptive item selling practices by gaming companies were raised as a key issue. While gaming companies say there are percentages for a player to win something in a random draw, it's not fully transparent to gamers. The relevant officials vowed to stop this through regulation. As for the telemedicine industry, the government says it's looking to expand the scope of who's eligible to receive care remotely. In addition, they're looking to create a platform so medical records are accessible by healthcare providers to avoid patients having to visit prior hospitals to get their records. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.